Imagine walking into your office one day and seeing a humanoid robot with lifelike features and graceful movements, performing tasks that were once exclusively handled by humans. This might sound like a sci-fi film, but it's becoming our reality much faster than anyone anticipated. The rise of female humanoid robots is transforming industries across the globe, and their rapid development is raising fascinating and sometimes unsettling questions about the future of work and society. At the forefront of this revolution are companies like Hanson Robotics and Engineered Arts. These innovators have introduced robots like Sophia and Ameca, who have captured worldwide attention. Sophia, with her realistic skin and expressive face, has already made history as the first robot to be granted citizenship by a country. Ameca, on the other hand, has amazed experts with her ability to make fluid facial expressions and hold natural conversations. These aren't just novelty creations. They are advanced machines powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence that allows them to adapt and learn over time. In Japan, you can check into hotels where the receptionists and concierge staff are all robots. These humanoid workers greet guests, check them in, and even offer local advice. It's efficient, reliable, and surprisingly personable. In China, restaurants are employing android waitresses who navigate crowded dining rooms with ease, delivering meals quickly and with precision. Even in Dubai, the police force is incorporating female robot officers to assist with patrolling and providing information to the public. The sheer range of applications is staggering and growing by the day. So, what makes these robots so effective at replacing humans? It starts with their design. Engineers have developed hyper-realistic synthetic skin powered by motors and sensors that allow robots to mimic subtle human gestures and expressions. Their AI brains are built on neural networks that enable them to process language, recognize faces, and respond appropriately to different scenarios. These robots can hold conversations, detect emotions, and even adapt their behavior based on past interactions. Take Sophia, for example. She can answer complex questions, deliver speeches, and even joke with interviewers. Her creators have programmed her with a mixture of scripted answers and machine learning capabilities, allowing her to become more sophisticated with every conversation. Similarly, Ameca has wowed audiences with her ability to display surprise, happiness, and curiosity, reactions that make her interactions feel astonishingly human. But it's not just about entertainment or customer service. These robots are starting to make their mark in healthcare as well. In elderly care homes, female humanoid robots are being used to monitor patients, remind them to take their medication, and provide companionship. For many seniors, having a friendly and reliable robot around offers a sense of security and comfort, especially when human caregivers are in short supply. The economic implications are massive. Experts predict that by 2035, millions of jobs across multiple sectors could be at risk of automation. While robots don't get tired, don't take breaks, and don't demand wages, the trade-off is clear: the potential loss of livelihoods for countless workers. Advocates argue that robots can take over dangerous, repetitive, or undesirable tasks, freeing humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. However, skeptics worry that the pace of technological advancement may outstrip our ability to create new job opportunities fast enough. Another interesting angle is the ethical debate surrounding humanoid robots. Should we create machines that so closely mimic humans? What responsibilities do we have to ensure these robots are used ethically and not exploited for purposes that could harm society? Some ethicists warn that blurring the lines between human and machine could lead to emotional confusion, especially if people begin forming attachments to robots that seem sentient, but are, in reality, sophisticated programs. Looking to the future, the next generation of female robots promises to push the boundaries even further. Researchers are working on robots that can not only understand complex emotional cues, but also generate their own creative ideas. Imagine a robot artist, a robot teacher, or even a robot therapist, roles we once believed required uniquely human intuition and empathy. These advancements could open up new possibilities, but also introduce new risks that we can't fully predict yet. Governments and organizations worldwide are beginning to grapple with the legal and societal implications of this robotic revolution. Should there be regulations limiting the roles that humanoid robots can play? How do we ensure that humans and robots can coexist in a way that benefits everyone? These are pressing questions that will shape the next decade of technological development. For now, one thing is certain. Female humanoid robots are no longer just a futuristic fantasy. They are real, they are here, and they are transforming the way we live and work faster than we ever imagined. Whether this change excites you or fills you with dread, it's a conversation we all need to be part of. So what do you think? Are these jaw-dropping female robots the ultimate breakthrough we've been waiting for? Or are they a sign that we need to hit the brakes and reassess? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video gave you a glimpse into the future that blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the incredible world of AI and robotics. See you in the next video.